Hello, everyone. The task is a video presentation. My name is Luis Guevara. I am a student of electronic product production at SENA. This is my English level 1 presentation. My instructor is Lina Cubillos. Today I'm going to talk about a very special person in my life. Is my mother. Let's start. Okay, this is my mother. Her name is Teodora Viejo. She is 72 years old. Her birthday is on March 7th. She is Colombian. Her occupation is farmer. She works on a farmer. Okay. My mother worked on a farm every day. She picks fruit and sells them. She worked with many fruit, for example, mango, cacao, coconut, guava, plantains, zapote, and very other. She is a very hardworking woman. In the free time, my mother loves to sing and dance. She also likes fishing and working on the farm. And her favorite thing, she loves eating fruit. She is a very active and happy person. My mother is an amazing woman. She is strong, kind, and very hardworking. I love her very much. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye, everyone.